Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? This is Dave here. We're coming up for another morning vlog. You can see I'm in the sauna. We're going to come up with a new edition that came in yesterday. Actually, I'm still expecting some more stuff to come in through UPS. But I'm going to introduce you to the the latest edition for the Insta360 1X2. And this pretty much came out because I was worried about, just like everybody else was worried about their lenses. Well, now I got the what they call the premium lens guard. So it's supposed to be waterproof. So as soon as I get out of this sauna, we're gonna go try this little sucker out in the swimming pool. And lo and behold, if it turns out to be waterproof, it'll work out pretty nice. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go and shut this off because I'm burning as hell. And I'll see you out in the pool. Good morning, YouTube. It's Dave here. We're gonna be trying out the premium lens guards from Insta360. As you can see, it's installed and it looks very secure. It looks very secure. I'm gonna put this underwater and then I'm gonna put the camera away because I'm filming this with the Insta360 Go 2, so I don't want to bring the whole remote underwater. So I'm gonna put this underwater for now. Let it sit down there. When I take this off. So now we're in its waterproof case here, and as you can see, it is underwater. And I'm gonna bring this thing underwater now.